Mossy Point House by Edition Office in Mossy Point, Australia. The Mossy Point House required a robust design methodology to respond to its modest budget while maintaining an acutely defined relationship to its interior and the surrounding landscape. The simple cement sheet cladding references the smooth, silvery bark of towering spotted gum trees surrounding the house while echoing the tiny, fibro shack that was the original occupant of the site. Presenting as a single-story building, the home is perched on a series of parallel blockwork walls and was evolved to mediate between the built, the natural, and the nuances of contemporary livability. The interior volumes are lined with a singular palette of plywood and spotted gum timber flooring, instilling an atmosphere of composed sanctuary, allowing the precisely defined volumes to shape and orchestrate the chiaroscuro of natural daylight that creates the framework from which to observe the natural landscape of the surrounding site. A bird's mouth cutout within the center of the roofline creates a sheltered outdoor dining space, open to both the sky and the horizon, while internally shaping a central fulcrum point within the home and defining its entrance. This void within the heart of the home clearly divides the internal program between the social and private. Using the void/fulcrum within the center of the project ensured a highly efficient footprint, with a single central circulation moment, allowing the project to be shrunk to ensure materials usage and construction costs were kept as low as possible. A solid balustrade running the length of the northern deck edits from view an arena of back sheds, gutters, and leaf-covered rooftops of the neighboring houses below, emphasizing the soaring spotted gums that frame a clarified view of the snaking Tamaga River and its opening to the sea beyond. This solid balustrade allows the interior to remain private while creating an opening for dialogue back to friends and neighbors passing by on their way to the water's edge. The primary single-story layout with no stairs and the refined stainless steel detailing of towels, robes, and grab rails in the bathroom allows for the passive support of the client's late-stage Parkinson's disease, providing dignified infrastructure for aging in place and care within the home. The project was sited carefully to respect the adjacent neighbors, with the house and its utility zones aligning to the south of the site to ensure maximum exposure of the northern sun to the living spaces. The siting also carefully considered the locations of the existing spotted gum trees, ensuring that only 2 mature trees were removed, both of which had been identified as sick and near the end of their lives. Low-cost and naturally resilient materials were utilized throughout the project, with sustainably sourced timber being the dominant structural and interior finish material. Offcuts of the external barest one cladding were laminated and utilized as shelving within the kitchen's pantry. Beyond ceiling fans, no cooling systems are installed within the home.